Bitcoin is forecasted to increase 1.7% by June 22, per crypto predictions. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. As of now, Bitcoin has moved up 1.4% in 24 hours and is currently at $64,464.10. Let's break down today's forecast range. Coin price forecast suggests the chart could show $64,937 by June 22. That would be up by around 0.9%. CoinLore sees a path for Bitcoin to reach $65,078, implying a move up of 1.1%. According to Gov Capital Collector, the price could be on track for $65,198.71, a gain estimated at 1.3%. A separate projection by Crypto Predictions highlights Bitcoin could reach $65,455.61, an increase of approximately 1.7%. Finally, Traders Union sees $65,923.81 by June 22, 2.5% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. That wraps the forecast block. Let's continue. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's look at the forecast metrics. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from an increase of 0.9% to a gain of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Traders Union takes the lead with 2.5% improvement in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could net between $9 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Coin Price Forecast's forecast is the most reliable, with an 80% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. From the consensus, Bitcoin is placed near $65,318.63. Alright, let's see what's inside. The consensus read points to price up by 1.5%. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 1.5%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $15 in this case. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Bitcoin is given a chance of around 74.8%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. The near-term direction, noted by Coin Price Forecast, is up. A bullish view also comes from CoinLore, who sees the price advancing. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector describes the path as tilting upward. An upward push is likewise signaled by Crypto Predictions. Traders Union indicates that Bitcoin will likely stay level, reflecting market indecision. Combining all projections, the consensus signals that Bitcoin is tilted upward over the 3-day period. All told, every analyst projects that Bitcoin may gain in the near term. The combined analysis shows 100% of forecasts leaning bullish, indicating Bitcoin could trend upward. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. As a result, the end of day value came to $64,298.60. With this result, the majority were right about the move. The closest match to the actual price was from CoinLore. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Yesterday's price action included 2 forecasts within the limits. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit, with the strongest outcome at 2.9%. Here's the overall results table, showing how each forecast held up. At a glance, CoinLore was given 49.9% forecast probability, $468.40 accuracy, and 2.9% ROI. Check the table and see whose forecasts aligned best with the real outcome. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow look across different cryptocurrencies compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin ranks in 3rd place, while Cosmos leads with a potential return of 2.4%. Currently, Bitcoin is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison for many others is already listed on my website. If Bitcoin is on your list of favorites, give it a like so I know to keep tracking it here. Talk to you in the next one.